Hey guys, Sam from BallerBBQ here. Super Bowl's just around the corner and I've been practicing different meals on the pellet grill so that come game day I can smash out some good feeds for my mates. So today I'm cooking some chicken nibbles on the pellet grill. I've got two different flavors for rubs that I'm going to use as a base. I've got a Culleys pork rub, which I'm just going to give it a go. It's pretty good on pork, nice and spicy. And I've got a Mrs. Rogers, just a southern fried chicken blend, so we'll give that a crack as well. If you're new, give that subscribe button a click and then you won't miss any future videos. Alright, with that said, let's get into this video. So here's the chicken nibbles I'm using today. They're just standard wings and drumsticks. So what I'll do is I'll get them out and put them in a bowl. They've still got the skin on, and what you can do is either pull that skin off or you can put the rub underneath it. I'm not going to worry, I'm just going to chuck it all on a bowl. Now this half I'm going to put the Culleys on. So here's the Culleys exotic pork rub. I've had it on pork shoulders before. It's really nice. It has got a bit of spice on it though, so as I say, my wife's not a big fan. So I'm just going to make the other ones for her, and these will be for me. So we'll just sprinkle that on there. Get a good generous amount on there. A good stir up. Now I just lay those chicken pieces skin side down as the heat from the pellet grill comes from below. I just want to protect that meat and kind of crisp up the skin as well. While you're laying these out, just have a look to make sure that there's no big chunks of rub on there. Just make sure the rub's all spread out evenly. So my wife's one I'm going to put into a shaker. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of flour and then 2 tablespoons of the southern fried chicken mix. Now put the chicken back in the bowl. Give the seasoning a bit of a shake and then just pour it on there. Again, a nice generous amount. Give it a stir up. And that's it. So again, we'll just lay them on the tray. And we'll do them skin side down. And just making sure that they're not touching and we can get good smoke and airflow around them. So that bit there's got a big chunk of skin on it, but as right, they'll crisp up and they'll be delicious. Again, just making sure there's no big breedy dough balls on there. And that's it, there's our little chicken nibbles. They look awesome. So let's go to the grill. So here I've got apple pellets in the pellet grill. I'm going to turn it up to 150 degrees. And once that's started, we'll wait for it to get up to temperature. There we go. Right now we're at 150 degrees. I'm going to put these 2 racks of chicken nibbles just straight on the grill. I'll close it up and I'll come back and check on it in an hour. So now these Chicken nibbles are looking pretty good. Had a little bit of smoke for an hour. They're probably about cooked, but I want that skin to be nice and crispy, so we'll give it a bit longer. So now it's been another half hour, and they're looking good. Nice and crispy. So now we'll take them inside and try them out. Okay, so the chicken wings are in. We've got the Culleys spicy wings, and we've got the Mrs. Rogers just southern fried chicken style. So let's give them a go and try them out. So here we've got a Culleys. We'll give it a go. It's nice and crispy. That's really nice. Got a bit of a spice in there. Nice flavour. Even though it's a pork rub, it goes really well with chicken. Yeah, it's a good amount of spice. I don't think it needs any sauce or anything, it's just good, just like that. So, let's try the other one. Okay, here's the Mrs. Rogers southern fried chicken. Looks nice. So, it's not as crispy as the other one, I don't think, but looks good. Probably should have had this one first. It hasn't got anywhere near as much flavour as the other one, but it is nice. I think I prefer the Culleys, but my wife will prefer that rather than the spicy Culleys, so she'll be happy. Okay, those chicken nibbles were absolutely delicious. We had the Culleys ones. They were a little bit spicy, but my wife actually preferred those, even though she doesn't like spice. The Mrs. Rogers ones, a little bit bland. Yeah, so we cooked those for roughly an hour and a half at about 150 degrees or 300, and they came out really good. That skin was nice and crispy, and inside was just so moist, it was really nice. Alright, so that's it. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and then you won't miss anything in the future, but we'll see you next time.